So this is the model here is a pilot of the stick is here. The model 123cc motor. There's 103 on the stick. 3 colours.
Too fast?
Yeah.
I was going to say.
That's 3 miles an hour.
How fast?
30.
30? What, full throttle it would be 30?
Yeah. The good thing about it, because it's pontoon, see it filling up with water.
Oh, filled with water.
What happens? When it empties out, it's like it's second gear.
And it does that while it's scooting on the water, does it?
Yeah.
The pontoon's empty on the water.
Yeah. It's dropping it.
So who makes this kit?
That's a Claymore.
And how many cells? 3, 4?
3.
3 cells. Oh! Got in the air that time.
I've had a 360 flip.
Okay, we've still got 15 minutes of freestyling if anyone wants to come on.
If you were racing, how long would the battery last?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? Wow, that's a long time to concentrate, isn't it?
We had a race over at a club where you do the whole length of the lake, the race, length of the lake, go round the buoy and come back again.
Yeah.
You might go halfway down the lake on the way back before they go halfway up.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know how much you would pay for the model all ready to go?
Well, I bought that 130 quid, that one.
130.
I've seen them for 65 second hand.
Oh wow.
So I get through 9 batteries in a day. So I spend like the Saturday charging up batteries.
Yeah.
Takes all day to charge them up. This is not big enough.
Okay, so the farm catamarans are coming off, and we're going to get the two ferry boats back on again. The large one with the small one. I assume they're both coming on together, are they? Are both the ferry boats coming on? Yeah. Okay, then.
Very nice. Can I ask your name, sir?
Roy.
Roy?
Roy Charles.
Thanks very much, Roy.
Yeah, the catamaran was dropping the water off a bit. It's too much for the scale boat. So
Just have a look inside while you're there. So it's a 2200 3-cell
Yeah.
with a water-cooled brushed or brushless motor? Brushless.
Yeah.
So it can't get too wet then? If it's...
these two boats are playing...
Great, thanks again.
Thank you. Are there another one from the...